Come to my channel. Here we have 8 plus 2 parenthesis 1 times 5 then minus 8. First of all, solve our parenthesis, which is 1 times 5. 1 times 5 will give us 5. Then we have 8 plus 2 times 5 minus 8. 8 plus 2 will give us 10. Then 10 times 5 minus 8. 10 times 5 will give us 50. Then we have 50 minus 8. 50 minus 8 will give us 42. So 42 is the wrong answer to this expression because we did not follow the order of operation, which is PEMDAS. In PEMDAS, we have parentheses, exponent, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. Multiplication and division have equal priorities, such as addition and subtraction, working from your left to your right in order to arrive in a very correct answer. Let's dive into the right answer to this expression. First of all, we solve our parenthesis, which is 1 times 5. 1 times 5 will give us 5. Then we have 8 plus 2 times 5 minus 8. So we solve our multiplication first because it comes first before addition and subtraction. So 2 times 5 will give us 10. Then we have 10. Then we bring down our 8 plus 10 minus 8. 8 plus 10 will give us 18. Then 18 minus 8 will give us 10. So 10 is the right answer to this expression. I hope you find this video helpful. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.